Welcome to Dr. Imran's Official. Today we will talk about DNA blood cells. DNA is present in the nucleus of most cells in the human body, including blood cells. These cells include red blood cells, erythrocytes, white blood cells, leukocytes, and platelets, thrombocytes. DNA contains the genetic information that determines an individual's traits and characteristics. Blood cells have specific functions related to oxygen transport, immune response, and blood clotting, and their DNA carries the instructions for these functions. If you have more specific questions about DNA in blood cells or related topics, feel free to ask.